I married a chocoholic, and to keep the love fires burning today, I am gonna make my husband Lad chocolate cobbler. It's a classic old recipe. It is out of this world incredible. And I started with sugar and unsweetened cocoa powder, and I'm adding some self-rising flour. Now I'll stir the dry ingredients together, and then some buttermilk and vanilla. Now I'll stir just for a sec. Okay, that's mixed together. So I have an important thing to grab out of the oven. Oh my. My favorite ingredient in the world, butter, a whole pan of it. So I've got this chocolatey batter that I mixed together. The butter is not only melted, it's absolutely sizzling and almost a little golden brown. So I'm gonna use this measuring cup to just drop random scoops right on top of this butter. All right, I wanna get all of this batter. And you don't have to follow any pattern when you drop it into the pan because it's all just gonna bubble up and bake together. So a few more things to sprinkle over. I have some chocolate chunks, and they just go on the butter, on the batter, wherever you want to drop it. Just make sure it's kind of an even layer. And then, don't judge me, a bunch of sugar. This is gonna kind of help create a crispy, crunchy little sugary vibe. Some more unsweetened cocoa. I gotta cover up all evidence of that sugar layer. I can't even bear to look at it. And then here's where it all starts to make sense. So I have a little saucepan of boiling water, and I'm just gonna slowly pour it over the contents of this baking dish. I can hear you doubting me. I can hear your skepticism through the TV. You have to trust me on this. This dessert, I don't know how it works. I don't know the science behind it, the chemistry behind it. I just know that I am 100% behind it. Now here's the important part. You don't even want to stir it because it'll totally mess up the texture of the baked dessert. So this is going to go into the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees, and then I'll show you what we've got. All right, here is the chocolate cobbler. Look at the magic that happened in the oven. Now I'm gonna take this down to our house, meet Lad, and we'll show you together what this dessert is all about. All right, Mr. Drummond, would you like a chocolate dessert?
You bet.
This is chocolate cobbler, but it's kind of like chocolate cake.
Chocolate cobbler.
Look at all that gooiness under there.
Wow.
Looks good, right?
Does look good.